In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank account or debit card to your Robinhood account on your PC. This is a really important step if you want to deposit money and start investing on Robinhood, and I'll guide you through every part of the process to make sure it's easy and straightforward. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Robinhood on your PC and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see the account icon or your profile. Click on that and then select the transfer option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the section where you can manage transfers and linked financial accounts. Now in the transfer section, find the option called Linked Accounts. Click on it and then you'll want to choose Add New Account. At this stage, you'll be prompted to pick between linking a bank account or a debit card, depending on your preference. If you want to link a bank account, you'll typically see a list of popular banks you can select from. If your bank isn't immediately visible, use the search bar to find it. Once you select your bank, Robinhood will prompt you to enter your bank login information securely, or if you can't or prefer not to use your online bank login, you can manually enter your bank's routing and account numbers instead. After filling in this information, click Continue to proceed. After you've submitted your bank details, there's an important next step. Robinhood will send 2 small micro deposits into your bank account. These are tiny amounts of money, usually under $1, and they'll show up in your online banking within about 48 hours. These micro deposits are simply a way to verify that you own the account you're trying to link. Once you see both deposits appear in your bank statement, head back to Robinhood on your PC. Go again to Account, then Transfers, Linked Accounts, and look for the option to verify. Enter the exact amounts of the 2 deposits and then click Enter or Confirm. If the amounts are correct, your bank account will be successfully linked and verified. If you'd rather link a debit card, select Debit Card in the Add New Account section instead. Enter your card's number, expiration date, and CVV code as prompted, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. Usually, debit cards are verified instantly, so you may not have to wait. After you've successfully linked and verified either your bank account or debit card, you're all set. You can now deposit funds into your Robinhood account easily, either through standard bank transfers or instant debit card transfers if you want quicker access to your money. And that's it! Now you know how to securely connect your bank or debit card to Robinhood on your computer. Take your time with each step, and once your account is linked, you'll be ready to fund your investments with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy investing.